Hey guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson here, and I wanted to show you this greeting card that I made using a technique called plumping. Now, I had never heard of this before, and I don't know how well this is going to come across on video, but this hummingbird is actually dimensional. It is super cute, and this is a really easy technique to do. This hummingbird is on 65-pound vellum, and basically what you do is you get the outline, which is the black form, and you put it on there, and you make sure that it is well attached by turning it over and burnishing it. And then what you do is you turn it back on the front where you can see the outline, and you take your they're little tools for making flowers that have little metal balls on the end. Let me see if I can get mine. Let me see if I can reach them. And I will show you exactly what they are. Okay, it is this little tool kit, and you see those little round balls right there. They come in different sizes. Anyway, you take the small one, and you trace inside of the hummingbird in all of the openings on the front side, and then you turn the piece of vellum over and you rub inside of the lines that you just drew. And what it does, and again, I don't know how well you can see this, but it actually causes this to plump out so that it's dimensional. And when you get it done, and it will look just white, you can see that from the photos that I posted. But when you get it done, then you can go back and you can color it in. And the way that I got this pearly kind of effect was I colored it in with my Copic markers first and blended those really well. And then I took a set of metallic pens, and I colored over the top of the Copics, and I took the Copic blending pen and I blended it together. And down here with the sticker, I just left that as it was. And then I had these really gorgeous corners that are kind of metallic that I put on. And so there is a photo of this, but this is basically what the finished card looks like. Like I said, this is vellum, and it is on a pearl card. You can see that. So I don't know that any of that is showing through, possibly in really bright light. That pearl look would come through the vellum. But I really liked this technique, and I really like the way this card turned out. And like I said, I did post a photo for those of you that would like to take a closer look at the photo. This is a type of card that you're going to be seeing more of from me, and you may be seeing more of these types of cards from other crafters as well. It's definitely worth the effort, and it's really surprisingly easy to do. Anyway, guys, I hope all of you have a really great night, and thanks for watching.